So there we have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed that really clean cut version of what happened on the day. And speaking of clean, I think we can all agree that Sprinty looks all the better for it. Now, when I take Sprinty to bike meets, obviously no one's coming up to me going, oh my God, is that a Triumph Sprint ST 1050? Because that's just for weirdos like me. However, when people do acknowledge the bike, they've always complimented me on how clean and well, just how good she looks for her age. She is 15 years old, 16 next year, so pushing that age, but she looks immaculate in my opinion, especially now. And it's always been quite a nice compliment because it shows that I take care of the bike and I do keep her as clean as I possibly can. However, the service with Valentino Glossi has just shown me almost a bit of the error of my ways. It has shown me where I can improve. The advice has been second to none, so I'm very thankful for that. I mean, look at the before and after pictures right here. And I tell you what, it's just one of those things where I would have said before, the bike was a bit dirty, I'd taken it out for a few days and hadn't washed it like I normally do. So I tried to give him as much of a challenge as possible, but it was just nothing for him. And he really made, in a way it was insulting, wasn't it? Because it makes your bike look dirty before. But in all seriousness, the service, my experience is faultless. The gentleman who provides the service is really a master of his crafts. And this clean is just so sublime. I can't put any negative words towards it. So fair play. I'm very grateful to have won that giveaway now because I can't stop looking at her. Since having the clean, I actually haven't been out on the bike yet, so not looking forward to that first time when it looks this good. But yeah, absolute wonderful service. He's a very nice guy to talk to. I won't give away any of his secrets. You know, if you want to find any of that stuff out, you're gonna have to book him yourselves and see what advice he will give. But even then, he won't give away all of his secrets. Just smart business, isn't it? There. If you would like to go check out Valentino Glossi, I will leave links to Facebook, Instagram, all down in the description below. Please go check him out. Drop him a message, and why not book your bike in, perhaps just in time for the winter if you're going to put it away, or when we're coming out of winter, just in time for the new season, and you want the bike looking gleaming. There really isn't anything that I don't think he can do. I really think he can just about make anything look absolutely stunning. Check out his previous posts and you'll see what I'm talking about. But there we have it, guys. I don't want to ramble on too long, as I always do. Thank you so much, as always, for watching another video. Of course, if you haven't already, why not head over to Instagram and drop me a follow at TheRhythmicBiker. If you enjoyed this video, why not give it a thumbs up? Please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought. I really do enjoy hearing from you. And if you're not subscribed, why not? Hit that subscribe button. Until the next time, cheers, guys.